National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a winter storm warning for the following counties. In Tennessee: Johnson, Coke Smoky Mountains, Southeast Greene, Unicoi, Northwest Carter, Southeast Carter, Blount Smoky Mountains, Sevier Smoky Mountains, Southeast Monroe. In Virginia: Wise, Russell, Washington. Effective at 4:03 a.m. and ending at 10 a.m. Monday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 3 to 6 inches with up to 8 inches in higher elevations. Where? Portions of East Tennessee and Southwest Virginia. When? From 11 p.m. this evening to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Plan on slippery road conditions and low visibility in heavy bursts of snow. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning commute.